Looking to donate car for tax deduction in Tucson, Arizona? Driving Successful Lives makes car donation simple, fast, and meaningful. With Car Donation Tucson, Arizona, we offer free vehicle pickup, whether your vehicle runs or not. We handle all paperwork and title transfer, and provide an IRS-compliant tax deduction receipt, giving you potential federal tax benefits. Your vehicle donation helps support programs that assist individuals and families in need throughout Arizona. Visit drivingsuccessfullives.org/v-states/Arizona/Tucson-car-donation/ or call 877-721-1627.